Okay, what I'm actually going to do now is take you through some material properties. Now in front of me I've got a selection of different materials. I've got 6 different materials that are comprised of combined materials, natural and synthetic materials. The first one is this one, which is actually a cotton. Which is a natural material, and you can tell that it's a cotton because it feels quite rough, and also it hasn't got a sheen on it, and you'll find that with a lot of cottons. This is a combined material, which is a cotton jersey. So again, it is a natural material, but it's combined with some elastine, which will give it some stretch. This is 100% polyester. Now when you look at this, you can actually see that it's got quite a shine to it, and you can see that the edges fray quite a lot, and that's how we can tell that it's a polyester. This is a PVC, which is quite easy to spot, obviously, because it is just a plastic, but it's quite a thin plastic that can be used to create garments. This piece of material is felt, and it's actually a bonded material, which is different from the others because it's a non-woven material, and you can tell that it's a non-woven material because if you look at it, you can't actually see, as you can with the cottons, the lines of where the yarns have been woven together. The final material we're going to actually look at as well is spandex, and spandex is a completely synthetic material, and you will be able to tell that it's spandex just by the stretch. Now the first test we're actually going to do is a stretch test. It should be that just the synthetic and the natural fibres don't stretch very much. So we're going to actually test if that works. So all I would like you to do when you do this test is to pull, and you'll see that if you're pulling in a straight line, there isn't much stretch at all. And the same will happen when we pull on the synthetic and on the PVC. In addition, if we now look at the bonded will actually stretch a little bit, but what will happen to the bonded material is it won't return to its original shape, whereas you can see with the synthetics and the naturals, it actually remains in their original shape. Now the two interesting ones are the combined materials, and this is a cotton that's combined with elastine, and you can see how much it stretches. Now this would be really good if you're maybe creating a t-shirt and somebody is going to be moving around a lot. The interesting thing about this is that it will actually go back to its original shape. Now the spandex, which is our most interesting material on this board, is actually very stretchy, and if we stretch it at the corners, should actually stretch to about 70% larger than it originally is. Now you would have to do that under quite a lot of stress, but it will also go back to its original shape. It has a memory.